Hello friends, this is Professor Amit Nerurkar, and today we are going to look at one of the most important topic of TCP, that is TCP timers. There are basic 4 different types of timers, as you can see. One known as a retransmission timer. This timer is actually set because as you know, TCP is a reliable protocol. Whenever it sends a segment, it needs to wait till it gets an acknowledgement. But till what time sender will wait? What if the segment is only lost? So whenever you send a segment, the sender will start a retransmission timer. If sender does not receive any acknowledgement before the timer expires, then it is going to retransmit the segment. So this is the retransmission timer. The second timer is known as a persistence timer. Now what exactly is this persistence timer? Assume a situation where server has announced window size 0 to client. So client has to wait. Client cannot send any segment to server because the buffer size of server buffer is full. Now client is waiting. In a meanwhile, server advertises the window size as 10 and that message is lost. Now the problem is client is not aware that window size has updated. So client is now waiting. Now client is getting confused. Why server is not giving the updated window size? Is it because it is still 0? Or server has sent but I have not received? Or server has failed? So we maintain a persistent timer. Whenever server announces window size 0, start the persistence timer. Before this persistent timer sends, there should be an update from server. If not, then client will send a probe only to check whether server is dead or alive. Third type of timer is known as keep alive timer. If for more amount of time client establishes the connection with server and is not communicating, server is confused. Why client is not communicating? Is it because client doesn't have any data to communicate or client has failed? So whenever the data is sent from client to server, server will start a keep alive timer. Before that timer, if there is no update coming from client, it will simply probe client to check whether it is dead or alive. After n probes, if client doesn't reply, it will assume client has failed and it will terminate the connection. And the last timer is generally used when you terminate the connection and you send, that is client sends last ACK to server, possibility that acknowledgement may get lost and server may send the fin plus ACK back to client. But since client has terminated the connection, there is no one to receive the fin plus ACK segment and hence the port of server remains unclosed. Hence, after sending last ACK, start the timer, wait for that time to handle such error. If there is no message coming from server side, after timer expires, the connection should be terminated from the client side. Thank you.